Hi, my name is Richard Hiteshew, and I'm the president of A-1 Guaranteed Heating and Air. What we do here at A-1 Guaranteed Heating and Air is we're really into electrification, and what that means is getting all the gas appliances out of your house, going with really high efficiency heat pumps and heat pump water heaters, putting a little solar on the roof and making your house extremely efficient and extremely comfortable. One of the biggest reasons to choose our company is what our name is, which is A1 Guaranteed. We're going to do the best job we can, and we're going to stand behind it. The guaranteed in our name is just not a name. I don't really care what's written on a contract. I care that the customer is 100% satisfied, and I like to say that I don't put up with unhappy customers because I will make them happy. Here at A1 Guaranteed, we were Vallejo's first green business and Solano County's first green heating and air conditioning company. We recycle everything that comes through the door, from Freon to steel to the aluminum coils. We recycle everything. We use a whole lot of different tools and a lot of other companies don't. We have infrared cameras. We use blower doors. That is what lets us know how leaky your house is. And we also engineer and spec out every single job that we do. One of the best things about owning A1 Guaranteed and the way that everything's worked out for us is how well we've been able to take care of the community. We've been able to give back in a lot of different ways, from 4th of July parade to being a drop-off for the homeless shelters, to going out and take care of a lot of the churches, and just being able to just support the community that supports us. It's been a really wonderful thing. Here at A1 Guaranteed, we'd really love to earn your business. If you'd like to have a low PG&E bill and be extremely comfortable in your house, please give us a call. I guarantee we'll make you happy.